Hi, quick video here to show you how to edit your tickets and your certificate for reporting. So to do that, you go to System Admin and then click on this Report Format button, RPT format. And this shows you the actual lines that are in your database. Now, if your report has already been customized, it might be different from what you see here, but this is the standard thing. So on the load ticket, you usually get your company name, your company address, city, and then the customer's bill to, and stuff like that. And the special codes here, this format here says 32 characters wide, left justified. The dash is the left. Okay, now if you want to add a field to the end of a row or on its own line, then you don't really care about the width or the formatting. But in this particular example, we're going to add the order slump. That's not on there, but on the ticket by default. Oh, and also there's other types of tickets. There's over-the-counter sales tickets. There's your certificate that has your batch weights and things like that. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the order slump to the load ticket. Now, where you want to put that is up to you. You got to always be careful that you don't overflow a page, right? You want everything to fit on one page, okay? And what that token looks like is if you go to order information, you can see here a list of what these things are. And this is it here. It's the word order slump, all caps. And all these tokens that the computer is going to replace with the actual slump need to be in these square brackets. Okay, so if we look at this report, we don't want it up here. You're going to have the load weights. This is optional. It's usually not on a ticket. Have some customer information here. You got, this will be all your order extras and their price. This is the header for that. You don't want to do it in here with the price and the taxes, because that's all lined up. But here, you could put it here where this water is added. Again, this price total here needs to line up. So does the grand total. So maybe what we could do is put it on its own line. Now, this line here is not the line on your report. This is just what line in the database it is. You can have 5 lines of a report all in one line here. So let's just put it after this price, the grand total here, or we can do it at the beginning of this line. And if we put a bracket with the end of line, then it'll be on its own line here. So let's just do this right before our message here. What we can do is we can add this token, and we can have it on its own thing. We can say slump. Any words that you type will get printed on there exactly the way it is. So if we say slump, then put a colon here, and then let's just put in brackets we do the actual token, and then the closing bracket. Okay, and then if we do open bracket EOL closing bracket, that's going to be on its own line. And maybe we want to say inches, something like that. So it'll say slump, 4.5 inches on its own line. Okay, and again, this end of line is what tells you that it's going to be a new line. So this caution here will start. So whenever you want to edit a line like we just did there, you click on that line, then you hit Save Changes. If you want to edit a different line, you click on it down here. Okay, and then make your changes up here, and then hit Save Changes. Okay, and if you want to know what tokens are available to you, you can just show this drop down here. If you want to, what things related to the load are here. These are these tokens. All right. Thanks for watching.